everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got my notepad and my pen. We're going to mark things for the fire sale, so pay attention if you're interested in any of these things because they'll be available on Friday for the fire sale. So we just unboxed this Karz recycling pallet for $150 is all I paid for it. So now we're going to go through the things that we can send to Amazon and the things that we're going to put on the fire sale, and then we'll have profit numbers for you at the end. How much money did we actually make on this awesome pallet? You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, good news! With the magic of TV, we've already got all the Amazon stuff done. So down here in this tote are all the items that are Amazon worthy, able to be sent into Amazon, and we're going to currently make right now $279. So that's after fees and everything. So $279, and then we're going to go through all of these items that you see on the table, and we're going to price them for the fire sale. Some of these items I possibly could have sent into Amazon, but I just think that they would be better if I offered them to you at a discounted price. We're going to price everything a lot less than what it would cost on Amazon. For instance, this sunbeam we looked up, they have been opened, the boxes have been opened, but all of its contents are still in good new working condition. So normally it would cost you about $20 to buy one of these sunbeams on Amazon, and so we're actually just going to price them all $5. So I'm going to get my little sticker out. We've got 4 of them. 3 of them are the white ones, and then we have 1 that is the teal. So we're going to actually just price them all the same. So I'm going to write $5 stickers on these so that we remember what we said on the fire sale. So we're going to put those for $5. We're going to add everything up at the end. And then we have this one. This is a Rowenta one. Let me get it up and show you. This is a very expensive one. The only reason that I'm not sending this into Amazon is because of the box condition. Okay, so this is normally a $70 iron. This one is new, but the box just needs some TLC. So we're actually probably going to sell this for around, I think, what did we say, 25 bucks. And so from 70 to 25, not too shabby. So I don't know what's so fancy about this iron. I don't do a lot of ironing. I have a plain Jane Walmart one because I literally only iron one thing once a year. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. So 25 bucks on that one. Then we have this cool Vela handheld steamer. Compact garment steamer. So I'm actually going to take my... That was $22. That was, $22 is the original price on Amazon. So $22 on this. I say we just go $10. $10 on this one. So we're going to sell this one for $10. So we like to give over half off. That's our deal here. Alrighty, and then let's go here. This is the Extreme Steam.
I don't know which one that one was.
Let's go ahead and just scan it, and we'll figure out how much it was for. All right, we're going to use the phone. It'll be easier. So if you guys are wondering, we just pull up our Amazon seller app, and then we scan to see how much would it be if we were able to send it into Amazon. It's thinking. It's like the spinning wheel of death today. I don't know what the deal is. All right. All right, so we're scanning, and it says cannot find this product. Well, this steamer was 10, so hey, how about we just sell the Extreme Steam Conair one for $10 too. So you may be getting a better deal than we know. I mean, that was $20 iron. This was $70 iron. Who knows? This could be a $70 steamer, but you're going to get it for $10 because that's how we roll. All right, then we have, we're going to go down in front here. We've got the Huggable hangers, ultra slim finger clips. So those actually help you put pants on it. And then also the Huggable hangers. So we're going to sell both of them together for $5 for the set. So that will work great for both of those. $5 for the set. And then all of these Greatest Showman Funko Pops we're going to put together. I think $15 for all 6 of them. $15 for the set of 6. So it's got the Bearded Lady. It's got P.T. Barnum. It's got a couple of other ones. Yeah, what's this guy? This one right here. Philip Carlisle.
There you go.
Yeah, so we've got some fun ones. So we're going to do $15 for the set of all 6 of those. Then we have this cool compact clothes closet. I don't know how much that is for, so let's see if we can just do a little quick see.
It does have been pushed in a little bit. I don't think
yeah,
it's broken.
This is not broken. It's just the box has been boogered up just from being in the... Oh, over here on this side? There. I'm trying to find the barcode.
The other way.
Oh, sorry. We're going to scan. All right. This one is worth $27 normally is what this costs. So it's actually not just the closet organizer. It's actually the fabric closet and the whole stand and everything. So $27 is normally what you spend. I say $10. $10 on this one. You're getting a deal. I'm going to put it right there. All right, $10 on that one. And then these baskets I absolutely love. So this one is originally marked $15. So we're going to put five on this one. So you get a good deal on this one. This is a good size basket for only $5. And then the one right in front of you there, that threshold one, $27 was the original price on that basket. So we're going to go $15 on it. So the seagrass hand woven round one. And then we have underneath it, what's underneath it? We've got, one of those long shelves, yes. So the long shelf, 31 inches. How much is the price? I got the barcode here. I'm going to scan it. Okay. So this long shelf looks like around $30. So we're going to sell this one for $10. Just because I know you're going to have to pay a little bit for shipping on this one. So we're going to go $10 just to give you a little bit of a break. So, alrighty. Then we've got these awesome baskets. So, the original price on these, I can't remember exactly.
$9.
$9. And that one has two in there?
2.
So,
would have been $18.
So should we sell the pair together?
I'd sell.
Okay, so $9, so $18 for the two. Let's go $10 for both of them. $10 for both of them.
Okay.
All right, and then I better write set on this. $10 for the set, and then we have some other ones over here. $10 for the set of those. You can do it. All right, and then we have these ones here. There's 4 of these in here. They look like this. So 4 of them. And then they are, how much per? They're $6 a piece. So 6 times 4 is 24. I can do math today. So 24, 6 times 4 is 24. And then, so I say $10 for the whole box of those two. First set. All right. $10 for the set on that one. Awesome. And then this is really cool. Let me move this over so I can actually pull these out so you can see both of them. This is actually a pair of photos that would be a perfect art complement. So both of these really large picture frames, we will pad them ridiculously well. And so I'd say we're going to, what are you thinking? $15 for the pair. $15 for the set of both of these. So we're just going to do that. $15 for the set. All right, let me put this back over. Move some of this stuff. Okay, then we've got some cool baskets in here. This one is a larger basket. Looks like this. And these are normally $15 a piece. So I'm going to sell these individually, I think. Don't you think? And I think we're going to go $5 a basket. So, and the cool... I have, let me see, 3 pieces in here. So $5 a piece. So $5 per. And that way, you can buy more than one if you want, and we can ship them all together and all that stuff. So $5 per each basket, and we have 3 of those. Then we have this big one. This is my favorite basket in the whole palette. So there are actually 4 of these huge, giant, cute baskets. And these were, what, $27 a piece, I believe?
You can see it on the tag on the other side.
Okay. It says, sorry, $17. $17 a piece. So we were going to go $10 a piece on these. So $10 per. I have 4. $10 per. These are really cute, and they actually match that other set over there with the smaller compartments. So we're going to go $10 per. I'm just going to leave this up here. Well, I guess I got to pop it back in here. There we go. All right. Then we have these ones. These are the same as the box below. So I actually have 2 boxes of these. And these have 4 inside. So these are 4 of these ones. These are storage bins, 13-inch cubes. They're $8 a piece, and we're going to sell all 4 of them. So 8 times 4 is 32. So we're actually going to sell all 4 of these together for 15 bucks for all of them. And then the box below too. So $15 for this set and $15 for this set for both of those. So I'm just going to put it on the side of the box here so we remember. Put this back in. All right. Then we have, what else?
3 boxes of this.
We got 3 boxes of this one, and these are the smaller version of that cute rectangular one. So let me pull it out here. These are originally $7 a basket. They look like this. There's 2 pieces inside each box. Sorry, I'm trying to get a spot where I can set it. There's 2 pieces inside each box. So we're going to sell them as a pair. So $7 a piece, $14. I think we're going to go, what do you think? 5, 10, $5 a piece. We're selling the big one for $5, so then you can get 2 more little ones for $5, and you have a nice cute 3-piece set for $10. So
Is there only 2 in the basket?
yeah, there's only 2 in the box, so we'll go $5 a piece.
$5 a box.
Yep. So $5 for 2 of those cute baskets. So 5, 5, and 5. We're just gonna stick them on the outside of the box here. Perfect. All right, let's see if we can get this guy back in there. Keep them all protected. All right. Then we have these things. We're going to sell the whole set. It's basically a fabric storage bin. Let me flip it over. You can see the picture. So it's one of those fabric storage bins. It's all 4 of them. You're going to get all 4 of them. And they are, let me see. They're a standard shoebox is what they are called. 6.5 by 12 by 8.
$8.99, but I could be wrong.
I can't remember. But anyway, I think we should just sell all 4 for $10. Okay. So $10 you get all 4 of the shoe boxes for with the lids. $10 a set. This is like super good prices for your storage. So those of you who've been purging during quarantine, here you go. All right, so we actually have these for sale on Mercari, and we're selling them for about 15 bucks a piece, these cute little buffalo plaid baskets. So I want to sell them, let me see how many are in here. 4. I want to sell pairs of them. So we can sell 2 at a time. What's the original price on them? They're going for $10 a piece. So that'd be 20 bucks. Let's half it and go $10 for 2. So $10 for 2. So we're going to do that on that. And so we have 2 sets of those. So there'll be 10 bucks for 2 of these little baskets. All right. And then this guy, how much I can't remember what we said. This was normally $80. There's nothing wrong with it. It is in brand new condition, but the box just has been messed up, which is probably why it ended up on this pallet. So it's normally $80. I want to sell it for $35 because, you know, the box is a little less desirable, but we did look inside. There's nothing cracked, nothing broken. Everything is still in good functioning order. So we're going to sell this steamer for 35 bucks. So we're going to go ahead and add all of these numbers up and tell you exactly where our profit margins are for this Karz Recycling $150 pallet. All right, like I said at the very beginning of the video, we had some awesome things that were able to go to Amazon. So we already made $297 of profit on Amazon. And then we went through every item and you saw that. Fire sale, we are equaled out to $325 there. And remember, we paid $150 from Karz Recycling, my local liquidator. All of his info is down in the description. He has these really awesome clothing boxes that are amazing. You should check them out. Anyway, so we paid $150. So let's take the $150 off of our total, and that will make a total profit number of $454 of profit for this pallet. So this was an awesome pallet. A lot of stuff that I haven't seen before, but check out my fire sales on Friday. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, if you'd like to be a reseller, I have tons of reseller resources on my Hooked on Pickin channel. So go to hookedonpickin.com. You can check it out, as well as a bunch of products for sale. If you are unsure what to do as a reseller, I also offer consultation phone calls. They're personalized to you. You come with a list of questions, and I fill your head full of all of the information that I have learned over the last decade or more reselling online.